Welcome to another week of Predis. This is the hottest show in Jamaica. My name is Kazmar, and for the next half an hour now, it's all about the latest in Jamaica's entertainment and lifestyle. So you don't want to move a muscle. Right now at the party, Appleton May Days, and I've been excited. I can't wait to go inside, and trust me, you don't want to move a muscle because this is where you want before you know what's going on. So this is Predis. Follow me.
Representing E to the I, represent to the world.
We're here at Appleton May Days. You guys having fun?
It's my first time here and I'm really enjoying it so far.
Alright, hear it from Ramita. Again, it's my first time here as well, and trust me, the vibes nice. So if you miss something, you have to look forward to it. It's every Friday right here at the Ronnie Williams Entertainment Center in Kingston. Now, just in case they never come out, we don't know why they don't want to come out. Where do people that miss a party tonight?
I don't know, honestly. Just come out and get your free condoms and your free Wrigley's.
Alright, so what are Fridays here doing tonight still?
We're here basically promoting, giving out some free samples, like what you're missing.
Alright.
Any other brand you're using, you're missing out.
Alright, so hear it from Ramita. So guess what? Just in case you never come, check out some of the highlights right here. It's all about Appleton May Days, Anything you want to say before we cut?
I want to big up my promotion company, Lakem Promotion, straight beautiful girls.
Alright, Lakem, anything you want to say, Trudy?
Big up my boss, Taya.
Alright, so use Rough Rider condoms. Cut.
The girl them a star boy, but me not star in a blue movie. Them a star boy, and on my fault if a boy girl choose me, she a star boy. Some boy girl use them, no girl can't use me. Them a star boy. Let me say them a star boy. You see, in my crew, every man a star. Over my crew, me see every girl a war. She say man a war, real to me now. Long distance to plan a pat down pan her. She no want a man a dead inna the show. She no want a man a give a head inna the show. She say she no want a bed inna the show. Take out the furniture, fling them out a door. Me a perform to get the Oscar. Girl a fly in from Nebraska. 3 months after them see doctor. Them know me cold just like Alaska. Star boy, but me not star in a blue movie. Them a star boy, and on my fault if a boy girl choose me, she want star boy. Some boy girl use them, no girl can't use it. Them a star boy. Let me say them a star boy. You hear me?
We're at the Ronnie Williams International Airport because May Day is on a world tour and we're going all over the world. We're going to party all over the world every Friday in May. Willie!
Alright, you the man, alright, so the man just correct me now. He just correct me, he says it's an international event. So how you guys came up with the concept for Appleton May Day?
No, it's just the vibe, it's just the concept of having friends coming out and just having a good time. Yo, Appleton May Days right now. Okay, thank you. One more Appleton.
Alright, Appleton. So talk to us about the partnership of Appleton and May Days. How did that come about?
Well, I mean, Appleton has been with us from day one. We came up with the idea and they said, yo, let's run with it. And I mean, over the years, the support has been good. The partnership has been good. So Appleton May Days is the biggest party. I mean, when you think about it, there's actually no other party in May.
Well, this is our 4th year right now. We have 3 tremendous years with some really good sponsors. Again, we have Appleton, we have Bullet this year, we have True Juice on board, we have Rough Rider. Trust me, man, I'm murder. Right now, the ratio, women, 17, 8 to 1.
May Days is a concept party. It's a good party. It's a party for the people.
Don't know when you get into a party now, you have to grab for your ocean spray, cranberry juice, and just chill for a bit, It's a little chaser, so you just do it a little bit like. Yeah, man, always tastes good. So Get Flat is the latest single from dancehall artist Tifa, Tifa. And of course, Predis was on set for a music video shoot. And trust me, I bear vibes. You can't wait to see this. I can't wait to see this. Now, the music video is directed by Dexter 3D Pottinger. And the music itself was produced by Shando. Now, Tifa, shall we talk to you, Predis.
Yes, so they don't know it's a girl Tifa. It's Tifa, straight out of Kingston, Jamaica, and you're on day 2 at the Get Flat video shoot. Every girl, bend your back, get flat, just bob up on a man from you. I want the DEM, you don't know you're watching PRE this. Yeah, man, I have to spell it out. Predis, I guess I keep it locked, I guess much more is in store. I'm about to hit the scene now and come back, talk up the things, bag a cameo, what theater turn up. Yeah, Predis, don't move a muscle, don't even blink. Bend your back, get flat, every girl, bend your back, get flat, every girl, bend your back, get flat, just bob up on a man from your waistline, shine. Every girl, bend your back, get flat, every girl, bend your back, get flat, every girl, bend your back, get flat, just and brace man. Move your waist like it in a rotation. Hey boy, get ready for me bumper. Flash like lightning, roll like thunder. The bubble man, some girl can't manage. Yes, it a screw a wrinkle like cabbage. Watch out for screw, cause you love like damage. I hear man, more so me a wine for the baggage. Cent, 5 cents, 10 cents dollar. From your good girl, just was a holler. You can't wine, what's a black ram. Your body set good with the move under your hand. Sure. We bubble fast, bubble in a slow motion. Girl up like a ass, move slow like mule man. We waist grease, no rusty like tin can. So if a girl a chat, then I dish you for sing pan. Baby, yeah, then your back get flat. Baby, yeah, then your back get flat. Baby, yeah, then your back get flat. Just come up on a man from your waistline shine. Baby, yeah, then your back get flat. Baby, yeah, then your back get flat. Baby, yeah, then your back get flat. Just come up on a man from your waistline shine. Boy, bubble we have a long time. From me a little girl we know how to wine. Pop beer style pan a boy waistline. Turn him in a fool, him say me love you long time. All of me girl let me pull up a the bed. Then you back to a boy. Well, Get Flat basically came about under the same vibe that Move Your Body came about under. Like, you know, I just wanted to, I've been going to a lot of parties over the Christmas, and I just wanted to wind up myself. I just wanted to come out of the element of being a so-called artist or a so-called celebrity and just be free, go out and be free and party. And there weren't enough songs there for females to party, especially songs that females sang to party to. So that's how Get Flat came about, under the same vibe that Move Your Body came about. For those who don't know, I'm formally trained in singing, dancing, and acting. From Asha, I was with them like 6-7 years, so you know, definitely it's coming out. And to tell you the truth, the last time I performed at Ward Theatre was Asha performance. So it's like, you know, a lot of that is coming alive now, and I get to express myself. I love acting and I love to, you know, take on different characters, especially in my music and in my videos. So you know, I guess a chance to be like opera princess and burlesque and whatever. So I'm really just enjoying it and having fun on the set. The video is basically like burlesque. It's basically dancehall meets Las Vegas. Nobody not really do that before. Like, we have all of the costumes with the feathers and the dancers with the feathers, and we're just bringing a different vibe to the thing. You know, I'm not one to stay in the box to just do a video with like blue light, green light, girls winding up, whatever. I love to challenge myself and I love to do new and creative things. So definitely, you know, this video promises to be, you know, one of those. One of the brand ambassadors, myself and Lady Saw, brand ambassadors, sorry, of the Nuva, the product, you know, they just, you know, launched. And yeah, I'm very happy to be a part of that. It's something that I drink. It's not something them just sign me for, whatever. It's something that I always drink, and I wouldn't endorse it if it was something that I never like. It's one of my favorite colors, pink, and you know, it's something that, you know, give a vibe when you go out, and yeah, the thing sort out. So make sure you buy it, make sure you drink it, and Nuva to the world.
We're talking about Shereen Anderson right now, you know. She started out as an actress and she has hits upon hits, you know. We're talking about songs that she released, which are like Makeup Sex and I'm a Rebel, featuring Daniel. I love me some Daniel. And of course we're talking about Shereen, and Breedis caught up with her. So yo, Shereen, talk to her, man. We want to find out who you be, you know. She look good, you know. Breedis.
Rude girl now go share my cocoa. One man to me thing riding solo. Tip, tip, tip up on my toe. Make you chase me like a go-go. Boy, you love the loco. Baby, tell me.
Well, it's definitely been a fun one. I think since I started, it's just progressed, and I've gotten better as a songwriter. I've gotten to explore all the different sides of what is dancehall soul. I mean, from the days of Coming Over Tonight and Good Love to now we have songs like Makeup Sex or Rebel, Fade to Black. So it's a progression. It's definitely a progression, and it's gotten more energetic. It's gotten more intense. It's gotten more a lot of things, but definitely more Shereen.
Baby, we be making love.
That it takes a lot of work, a lot of hard work to stay consistent, and that only good music lasts. I've had definitely many highlights. The inaugural balls for Barack Obama on a historic level has probably topped the list. So we played 2 inaugural balls, the Peace Ball and the inaugural Green Ball, as well as playing the World Special Olympics. That was really special to me. Being able to open for John Mayer and his arena tour taught me a lot more about just the stage and singing and connecting with like 25,000 people. Like, it's easy to do it if you have 10 people in front of you, but how do you make that one person sitting all the way at the back of the arena really feel the song and get the intensity of what you're doing? And if it's even the colors or your voice, like projection, just everything about being a musician and an artist and truly connecting with that crowd.
Yes, I hit the full up the head. Boy, me love it.
Michael is fun, first of all. I mean, I met Michael in San Francisco a couple years ago, and he had expressed to us that, you know, he's coming to Jamaica to work with Stan Robbie on his record. We were supposed to do one song, and it was, I think it was Say Hey, and Say Hey turned into 3 other songs on his record, and before we knew it, you know, the song picked up at Top 40 Radio in the States, and he just kind of asked me to come on the road with him as a support act, so I got the opportunity to open for Michael in Australia and in Europe and several times around in the US, so it just amazing.
Baby, we be making love. Baby, we be making love. After the upset, just give me that makeup sex. Whoa. Yo, this is your girl Sharina, you're watching Pre-This. Don't change that dial, so the thing's set up.
I can't live without my Ocean Spray, no, trust me, the best juice ever. Now, if you want to find out which events you need to check out, where you want to go, where you want to do the weekend coming up on you, you don't really know what's going on, the Pre-This events calendar is right here to make sure that you find out what's happening and what's hot. We're still here at Appleton Maydays, Abia Vibes, Pre-This events calendar. Mad.
The man a god of the man. None of them no bad like Shabba Rankin. None of them not tough like the Rankin. No. None of them stop the one they are asking. If you not imitate the great Shabba Rankin, who can stop the one they are asking? If you not imitate the great Shabba Rankin, see the fool they asking. If you not imitate the Rankin, the vibes I bring, the big song that I sing must inspire and motivate him. Big vibes bunking from big ship rhythm. From compound back to goalie banking, Shabba ranks at the top of top ranking. So on another I the truth, just put the facts in the gang of H2O and me the oxygen. Dancer is a come with the jewel and gym. Tell them see me supply the word to the him.
Appleton Maydays, turn up and trust me right now. ZJ Ice on the turntable, and yo, the vibe's crazy. So it's time for our first commercial break. You're looking at the crowd. Yeah, the party turn up. We soon come back. We have more Pre-This right after this.